Hello viewers, good morning. We are starting Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. This is our lesson number 1 today. In this lesson we will discuss menu bar, option bar, toolbar, workspace, layer 1. After this we will try to solve exercise 1 using selection tools, use of text tools and use of layers. And this is the task to complete. We will create a birthday card like this. Okay, background image, and then how to create this ribbon and how to place a text on this ribbon and how to change the color of the ribbon like this. So this is our today's task. Okay, so Adobe Photoshop files are available on this link. So go there, ICT EDU official channel, first video in description, download the files. Okay, so Adobe Photoshop lessons or exercise files are available there. So please download from there and start your work. Okay, let's move to lesson number 1. So this is Adobe Photoshop. So see how we will complete this assignment. So first I will close this. So I will close, exit the Photoshop also. So when we will open a Photoshop, so when we open a Photoshop, this window appears. This top menu is a menu bar, Photoshop menu or system menu. Okay, so this is a menu bar of the Photoshop, number 1, like this first one, menu bar. Okay, second is option bar. Under this menu bar, again another menu is here. This is option bar. When you will open the image, so each image has option bar will be different for each image. So for example, open an image, for example this one. Cancel this, don't select this. See, option bar changes. Feather sign, normal, and this selection tool is coming. So different option will come for each image. When you will for each layer, for each image, there will be different option bars. Okay, different options in option bar. So we will utilize as per the situation. This is number 2, option bar. Third is toolbar. This one is a toolbar. This bar contains a number of tools. So press on this arrow to bring in 2 columns. Okay, you can drag it here and place it here also. So these tools will help us to design a image. So these tools we will use one by one, not today, as per the exercises. Okay, so click arrow, make in 1 column and click and drag and drop it here. So this is a toolbar. So menu bar, option bar and toolbar. Next is workspace. Okay, so I will close this image. When we will create a new, okay, so we will create a new area where you want to, for example this one. So this one, this is a workspace or canvas where we can design something. So when you will create a new one, so new layer is created. You know, Photoshop works in layers. Each and every action will be done on layers. So different layers will be, this is a layer menu or layer bar. So we will organize the layer here. And this is a workspace, or you can say this is a canvas. Overall, this is a canvas where we can design anything using these tools. Okay, so canvas and layer menu. Next is layer menu, I explained to you, and workspace also. Okay, now exercise 1, we want to create this. So files are available. So download the files. We will go to the lesson number 1, and these are the selection tools. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. These 3 icons are the selection tools. See, hold on this arrow and number of selection tools will appear. If you select this, shape will change. So next time maybe you will think, oh, that selection tool is not available. No, go here and hold the mouse, then you will check. For example, you are using this one, so it will come here. By default it will remain there until you select from here. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3 selection tools. And this is also selection tool, lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. So these are the also selection tool. For example, so shape will be changed until you select from here. And this is also selection tool, quick selection tool, and magic wand tool. Okay, so these are the selection tool. We will use one by one as per the use in exercises. But today we will use this rectangular marquee tool and polygon lasso tool. These tools. Okay, to uncheck this, just click on this. This is move arrow. Okay, click here, it will be deselected. So these are the selection tools. So first close this, because we don't want to create a layer space. We want to use the existing layers or files, exercise files. Okay, so go here, open where you have downloaded. So I have downloaded all the lessons, so please go in the channel and download the Adobe Photoshop lesson files and make the copy of that file, because once you will use it, it will be changed. Okay, make the copy of this and then you change it, so that master file should be there. When we are starting lesson 1, so make the copy of this, use this file, not this one. After usage, delete this and then make another copy, and then if you want to revise, then start again. Then when you will start lesson 2, so make a copy of lesson 2 and start working on that. So we are starting to lesson number 1. So this is end, cancel it. See, so we want to create like this, a birthday card. So this is a final. So close it, open the start. This I made a copy. See, already I have done it, so I will close this also. Open. So I will delete this and make a copy of this, then I will open it. See this one. Okay, so Photoshop works in different layers. When you want to use these tools, selection tool, to create something, for example, select this tool and you want to draw a rectangle permanently, so then don't create on this layer. Okay, so D for Control D for deselect. Okay, so Control D, go here, and for example you selected this. Okay, if you want to finish it, Control D, so unselect it. So now we want to draw a rectangle, because as mentioned in our this, we want to create this ribbon. So we will create a first rectangle, one here and one here, one by one we will do, and then we will type a text also using text tool. We will change the color also, and we will crop it also. We will make it as a ribbon. This is a ribbon. So we will draw a rectangle, then we will convert into a ribbon, and then we will change the color also and type the text as well. And then we can, in the end, we will change the color scheme so that it should be bright and more attractive. Okay, so here, now see this layer panel or layer, this is a layer panel. So here to delete the layer, and this one to create a new layer, and these are the different tools to use for different properties in the layer. So these we will use also. So this is to create a new layer. So see, layer 1 will come. So we will create a new layer. This is also visible. So when you will draw something, it will be created on layer 1, not on this. Okay. Now see, select this rectangular tool and draw a rectangle like this. Okay. Now change the brush tool. Right click and change the brush size also. See, if brush size is big, we will quickly paint it. Click outside to finish it. Okay, I hope you got it now. We will use this, draw rectangular, then brush tool. This brush will appear, rectangular brush. Right click here, then you change the size and type of the brush, more harder brush and softer brush. These are the types. Okay, so you can hardness reduce also and click outside. Now check the color, go here and light purple color and paint it. See, freely you can paint this surface, this one. So we have painted this rectangular area and it is on layer 1. Okay, a separate layer, separate object, so that we can modify it, we can change it, we can delete it in future. So Photoshop works in layers. Okay, so don't forget it when you are using selection tool to create something. So create new layer first and then use selection tools to create something. Okay, but some tools are there, you will see they create new layers automatically, like text tool create new layer automatically. When you will type a text, a new layer will be created here automatically. Okay, so this one, to unselect this, control D. See, we have unselected this, and make sure you are on layer 1. And now to finish this brush, click on this move tool. Okay, now go to selection tool first. This second one, we will use polygon lasso tool. Okay, so how to, now we want to, okay, we will check what is the, yes, we will crop a rectangle area from this side, right side. So go here, just click on this top corner of this rectangle, just click, move the mouse, don't hold any left right button, just move the mouse. This is center of that rectangle, click here and then come here in this area, last point, click here and then go up and join with the start point. Okay, so click here, then first point, move the mouse and click here, and then this we create a rectangle. Now press delete key. See, so we have deleted this area rectangle from this rectangle. Okay, triangle from this rectangle. Now to unselect this, control D. See, so we have cropped this area. Now the layer 1 is selected. Now press control T. See, it is selected. Now you can see, this is the beauty of Photoshop. It works in objects and different layers. So you can change it, you can move it, you can see, you want to put it here, you want to put it here, as per the design. It is not like paint, in paint very difficult. Once you design it, then problem to modify it. Okay, so okay, we will keep it here and hit enter key. So this ribbon created. Now text tool, see here we have 3 layers. Click on text tool, horizontal type tool. Okay, so when you will click here, see layer 2 automatically created with the T. So it means it is a text layer. Whatever you will type, it will come on that layer, and after you can delete it also, you can modify it also, you can move it also. Okay, so type it here. First change the color. For example, you want okay, this color, or as per in the assignment we want this color. Okay, so go here. Okay, we want this color. Now type happy birthday. Okay, so to finish it, you click on this move tool. Happy birthday is written here. Now to adjust in the center, whatever, now press Ctrl T. See, we are on this layer. Press Ctrl T. This text layer will be selected. See, so you can move it also. Okay, and you can make it big also. See, font also will be changed automatically. Now hit enter key to finish this selection. See, we have written happy birthday. Okay, now here from, so we want to give a create a birthday card for our friend, so we will write our name. So same, we will create a ribbon again here. So now again go to the selection tool, this, but before this we have to create a new layer, otherwise problem. So create new layer here, layer 2, a blank layer. Now selection tool and create a rectangular here. Now take the brush and same color, no, not this color, we want color like this. So go here, we want light purple color, okay, and paint it. Okay, so it is on layer 2 and this one is on layer 1. See, it is coming here. So now Control D and select this polygon lasso tool again. Here, now from this side, so click on this top corner, come in the center of this rectangle, just guess it, and here, and go to the starting point. Okay, this one. Now press delete key. See, and to deselect, unselect this selected area, Control D, this one. Okay, now text tool, here, select the color, this color we want. Now, okay, from mean, okay, ICT EDU, from ICT EDU. This is from us to our friends. So click on this and now you can, for example, you can change the font size of this or color of this. So ICT EDU is selected, text layer, Control T, it is selected. You want to enlarge it, you want to make it big, okay, you want to change the font size also. Okay, so go here, this is selected. Now click on text tool, apply here. So text tool and layer EDU is selected. Now click here. See, so highlight this and font size will come. You want, for example, 30 and you want to make it bold like this, and this for confirmation. See, so this is confirmed. When you want to finish, you want to click here, arrow key will come. I will repeat this here. So text tool is selected. Now click here, it will come on happy birthday layer. So select this. For example, you want to make it bold. So from here, okay, select this one, 36, and then make it bold. Now you want to finish it, press this tick mark, confirmation. Now see, text is outside, ribbon is, now you go to the ribbon, this layer 1 ribbon. You have to know where it is, or if you forget, then you at least you can check it. See, go there and press Control T. See, this is ribbon 1. So enlarge this and hit enter. Okay, so I hope till now you got this. It is very interesting and easy. Now last part, we want to change the color scheme. See, we want to increase or enhance the resolution. So you will go to the adjustment layer. See, this adjustments, all these are adjustment layer options. So go here, this in curve, this is a curve, adjustment from the curve. So see, move this line, this to decrease and this to increase. I think this is better. This one is better. Okay, so close from here. So this is birthday card from us to our friends. So save this file in Photoshop. If you want to save with different name, so give name here. For example, birthday card in Photoshop format. Okay, PSD Photoshop format, so that you can change or modify in future. So save it. This file will come here also if you want to check. See, birthday card here. So you can open in Photoshop again, but it is already open here. Now if you want to an image file, for example PNG or JPEG, go to file and save as. Convert this birth card into a PNG so that you can send as an image. Now it will be open everywhere. They can open in browser, they can paste in Word, any package. They can paste in Excel also. So convert in PNG or JPEG. This JPEG option is there. Okay, so these two options normally we use, PNG and JPEG. Bitmap we can do for Paint. Okay, so it will be open in Paint also. So PNG and save it. Okay, so see this and our result almost same. So color little bit changes there, so we will select the colors of the same category, same type. So I hope you got this. So this is our first lesson. In this lesson we have used selection tools, text tools and use of layers. Okay, so thank you very much.